It's a SPS. I think something's outside. Let's go see what it did. Well, I already know what it did. I saw out the window. Guys, look what it is. Guys, so a few days ago for SBS, Super Inch Guy, I ordered a puppet. 2 puppets. And today I'm going to order 2 more puppets. So I ordered 2 of them, just one for me, so I can get one of oh, by the way, Colin Osmond is a part of our crew. I got a puppet for him. But I ran out of money, so I was going to buy Skyly one today or tomorrow. So, I don't know which one came today. It said June 8th to June 13th, and what day is it? Let me see what day it is. It is June 6th. So, I don't know if Colin's came early or mine came early. I don't know. But we'll just have to see. Hopefully it's mine, because I really want mine. And I'm very excited because I've never had a puppet before. So, let's open this. Oh God, I hate tape. I hate tape. Oh God, this is gonna be a really complete mess. Not really yet. Alright, put that tape off. So now let me get this side. I don't know if someone else is... I thought that was another package delivery. I was like... Okay, guys, I have a serious problem. Forgot my handy dandy scissors. Die! 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 No! So now we just need to get the tape. Alright guys, this is the hard part. Why'd you tell it's open? Guys! Guys! Get the bubble wrap out. Too bad it isn't mine, but Colin's came. Oh wow! Look at his face! And it came with the stick. Oh, let's open this thing. Yeah, I guess it came 2 days early. I ordered it 2 days ago. Hopefully mine comes tomorrow. I'm still gonna try this out just because this isn't the puppet I'm gonna be playing. I'm gonna test it out real quick. because I've never had a puppet in my life. Oh, wow. Oh. Apparently his hat is sewed to his head, but we're going to fix that because I don't want to keep the hat on all the time. Because the stick isn't sewed to his hand, so we could take the stick off. The clothes can come off. So let's take, so we have to pull this stick out. And then we just close up his hand. So let's take this off. Can this thing come off? Whatever, we're not going to worry about it. So, we just got a Melissa and Doug puppet. So his name is Harry Einbermer. Nickname Worker Goldlocks, whatever. Harry blames the loss of his beautiful golden mane of years of wearing his hard hat too tight. Hard hat too tight? Well, that's going to be a problem because it's not going to come off. Hi! Hi! I should have ripped it off. We might have to cut this off. Oh, wow. Guys, it's a puppet. Ooh, how do we put this inside? I'm going to put his hand in his butt. Oh god, I don't know how to use a puppet. I have no idea how to use a puppet. Guys, I don't know how to get my fan in his head. You are fine, sir. Hi. Hi. Now, let me get some construction working, okay? Who the hell are you? Well, I'm Brandon. I'm the person who's controlling you with my arm. You're controlling me with my arm? With your arm? Are you a rapist? No! Have you been watching 13 Reasons Why? No! Now shut up or you're going in the toilet. Sorry, sir. I do that for a living. Now you're going to be working with Mario. Mario? Who the hell's Mario? That sounds like a Mexican name. Mexo! Yeehaw! Let's take these scissors and chop some stuff. No, you can't eat those. Can I eat this? It's a baton. It's a baton. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. I just freaking explained it. I'm gonna eat you. Are you bald? Yeah. Good. Now you and Mario could work together. You're both bald. What a surprise. I'm doing the Jeffy. Alright, let's put... Oh, wow. La 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 la. Good, I'm really excited. I kind of wish he was mine, but he's not. He's coming. I'm going to still use him, though, for fun. it can go on either arm. Get it in this one. Did they not mention how hard it is to get the stick in their hands? Let's put our hand in his hand. Guys, I'm like freaking out. I can't believe I finally have a puppet. Well, I kind of and mine's coming, so. I get to play with this because I ordered it. What? I'm not doing the Jeffy. Just kidding, I am doing the Jeffy. Can I eat it? No! Superman! Ow, ow, stop hitting me so. Ugh. With this more in his arm. Well, this is fun. So yeah. Sorry, your name is not... I forgot his name. Was it James? His name's definitely not James. Harry. You don't look like a Harry to me. Gross. Oh, just kidding. Back in my day, we didn't have all this stupid pork. Oh, I'm Bradasha! Feed my! Feed my! Feed my! Are you gonna be here like every single day? Feed my! Feed me! Let's go get some cupcakes. Cupcakes? Why are you getting cupcakes? Cause they're damn delicious, Brandon. Let's go get some cupcakes. Okay. Sorry, Doug. We didn't have any cupcakes. So I got you this. What the hell was that? It's a Jolly Rancher. Does that go in anything but my mouth? Yes, it goes in your mouth. Let me open it for you. Alright. So, eat your Jolly Rancher. Oh, sorry. You got some kind of stuff in your... Maybe I like it like that. So, eat your Jolly Rancher. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna eat my Jolly Rancher now. No! I don't like that. Eat your Jolly Rancher! Okay. No! Guys, I can't do this anymore. It's so hilarious. No! No! No Jolly Ranchers! No! 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 I'm on straight! Oh! I ate all the Jolly Ranchers. Ah! What was that? Alright. Eat your Jolly Rancher. Oh, I hate cherry. You just wasted a perfectly good Jolly Rancher. Give it to the cat. Okay, here, Dexter. I'm giving it to the cat. Better, because I said give it to the cat. Alright, I gave it to the cat. So, leave a like and subscribe to every video. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Say it louder. What's my name? What's my name? Say it louder! Did you like this music? No! Now get to the end of the video. Okay. Let's see. What do I say again? Leave a like and subscribe. I already said that. Okay, I'm just saying, see you in the next one. Bye. See you in the next one. See you in the next one. See you in the next one. Oh! See you in the next one. Is that good? Boss, is that good? No, say bye. Bye. Was that good? You know what? I'm just going to say to myself, get out of here. Get out of here! You deserve a spanking. I'm going to spank yourself. That's it. Alright. So, leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye! No, you sis. Yo, so I know I said it was the last. And I said goodbye and like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Well, you were wrong. Because look what came in the mail! Alright. So this is a different day. Don't worry. Guess what? My puppet finally came in the mail. The mail! Alright. So, it looked a little small, but it's only 14-inch. So it's only about that big. But I'm fine because it's a kid, so, yep. So, 2 days ago, we got this. Yeah, and I cut the hat off, so. Let's use this real quick. Oh my goodness. Hi, I'm Douglas, and let's party rock on! Alright, so we got the stick. I need to beat someone's ass with this. Just kidding. And look.
And there are two, you're lying. So then Mandy goes on Howard Stern this week and she sets the record straight. Just take a look.
I dated him when I was 16 and 17. No, I love him and I still love him and he's a very good friend.
Alright.
That's why I was so shocked.
Yes, here it is. It's a little small though. So.
But it was
Alright.
so
Let's just
so uncharacteristic. He was like my son.
tear it open.
True boyfriend.
Right.
Yeah,
But he did not take your virginity.
he did not.
So when he comes on my show and says,
I don't want to cut this because since it's a little small and it's not in a box, I don't want to actually cut the puppet. So I'm just going to tear the package open. Oh God.
I would definitely set the record straight immediately. She's winning on all levels. Most to not know what Mandy Moore did. You know, like, do you sing, do you act? I always knew
Man, I'm in. That's what she said. Just kidding.
Show that I love to check out. This is Us. She plays the mom, so she's an actress.
Oh, now let's open this. I'm very excited.
Jesse Williams and his ex-wife Aaron for a long time. He's refusing now to give
Just
her
got a package.
another time. And
Now let's get to them now.
these two have been together since they were teenagers. They would
Hey!
ride or die, you know, move into Hollywood. He's going to be this actor. She gets pregnant.
Sorry guys,
She has the baby.
I'm a little slow on this. I'm just too excited to remember where anything is right now.
Like these Hollywood people.
Open this puppet. Oh wow.
Okay. So,
Oh wow.
Academy beef, this is the home life beef. What he does on
What doing, Brandon?
is phenomenal
Hi.
for, you know, the fans.
Oh! Ah!
Aaron wants an
Ah!
extra month
Ah!
for her children's future.
Ah!
Aaron, I'm sorry. This is where Aaron, this is what
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. What's doing? Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Dad, I don't want to do that. That sucks. It's like stupid piece of crap. Son, don't talk to me like that. Dumbass, Dad. Don't talk to me like that.
And excuse me, she is a sports reporter.
Who's this crackhead pretending to put her hands in our asses? Look, he's putting his hand in my butt.
If I were Aaron, I'd be pissed too.
Dad, let's kiss.
$75,000
Want a kiss?
is too much money for 2 children.
Like Tom Brady did with his son. No offense, Tom Brady. I love you. I watch football.
Constant security around the kids. It's a different type of
There
requirement.
are some. Let's kiss.
And college,
Okay.
for the kids. When last I checked, like some of these colleges I know, they're like $65,000
Don't
a year to go. And by the time
demonetize this video or don't
little math and hot topics,
what's that?
she gets this
Age restricted, son. Age restricted.
that's going to come out to year-old and 4.8.
Alright, guess that's really it. Ooh, I think I know. This isn't.
Fucked up my account. I am all for the sisterhood.
Alright, don't listen to that.
Take that $50 million.
Oh, it can fit.
Anatomy stays on until forever.
I'm a worker with Daddy.
And when sports channels will just say, will you see the new girlfriend? Let's stay off social
Can we take off the
media,
shoes?
you know,
Oh, we can take off the shoes. We can take off the shoes.
all girls colleges here in New York and every single last one of
Let's
these
rock a bye.
smart and smarter.
Get it.
These are the people who sit at home and complain.
Rock-a-bye
Section 25
puppet in your little package. I will arrest you when I play with you.
out there and you sell mansions. And
Play with me? That sounds wrong.
move on with your life. Oh, by the way,
Say that again.
I know it's hard.
Domestic violence.
I was telling you the other week.
Oh crap! That is domestic violence. Right there.
Tired of her
Don't watch that.
like she's not part of the circle until you stop talking about it, man. Stop talking
His
about
hair's kind of falling off, but that's okay.
I don't wear pins very often. I've worn this
Well,
before.
yeah, if you guys enjoyed.
Thank goodness I was.
Actually, we have one more puppet still coming. So,
Yeah,
well, guys, it's another day. It's another Halloween. And it's today. So you've already seen. My puppets came already. Colin's came first, but then mine came. And then I ordered Skylie's and my mom's, because my mom likes doing it with us. So yeah, it just came yesterday. Let's check it out. Yeah, we need scissors, don't we? No, we don't. Let's go ahead and rip this open. Yeah, we got 2 puppets in here. Alright guys, so first we have Skylie's. Let's look at hers. Hey Mom, will you hand me the scissors? And then we're gonna get straight opening my mom's. We're gonna let her use her to show. Let's cut the bag open. Yeah, let's cut the bag open. More joke for me. That's a little tough. Alright, so here we have her. Oh, it comes like with one of those little those things you put on the mouth.
Where's the other stick for the puppet?
Oh, that one's up there.
Where?
It's right behind the clothes.
Behind the washer?
No, not the clothes.
Oh, do you want to lose your stick?
So we have the nurse here. We got the little stick that she carries. Let's cut this thing off the episode. Oh god. It's a little tough. We can also choose to put our hair down if we wanted to. We're gonna do that. Oh guys, putting it on her ear tough. Alright, so here we go. Her name, let's see what her name is. I think it's Melissa. Susan, actually. Well, we're gonna change that name. So yeah. Whoa.
Hey, where's my phone? Do you have my phone?
No.
Where's that?
Alright, so we have her. Her hair's just kind of back. It's kind of hard to control her. Oh god, let's just help this son of a... Hair's in the way. We need to set it down. No, it's not in a bun. Ew. Let's just shake our hair until it reaches the bun. You crazy psycho. He is loco. This guy is a crazy son of a... I am not. Yes, do. Call me a crazy son of a... Again, and you're gonna see what happens. Oh, hell no, you loco. Ah. Stay back, dragon. Stay back. I am Kung Fu Panda. Alright. So yeah, we got her. Got the little thing. Now time for my mom's. Whoa. It's a lot bigger than I expected. But who cares? We're gonna go ahead and open it. She's a little Bible girl. Oh. Whoa. So I'm just gonna... Oh god, you crazy! You crazy son of a crook! Oh my god, you're crazy! Get that out of the way. Don't talk back to your mother. Why? You're just stupid anyway. You think you're just the boss of me and you're not. Because I'm a cool biker girl. You see this? I have magnificent looks. Shut the hell up, daughter. So, I'm a nurse. And I have mascara on. So unless you want to be beaten with this stick, go to your room. Now. You're not the boss of me. Ugh. Ow, why'd you do that, you son of a bitch? Don't you cuss. Okay, I'm gonna move. No, because I'm a gangster. Let's put some gangster music on. Cut the music. Whoa, so let's get the stick out of her hand. So yeah. Well guys, I just wanted to let you know and say hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. So, like this is a video, this isn't the same day as all those other scenes you just saw. This video it was Father's Day yesterday. Today's the 18th on June. So this video will be uploaded, should be uploaded tomorrow. This video will be uploaded the 19th, and you will watch, and I'm doing this clearly the 18th. And yeah, it's been one heck of an adventure, 5 day. Out of all 4 puppets, I've waited a whole entire month just to get all 4. So yeah, let's have a quick montage with all of the puppets. Bye.